Good evening, students. Yesterday we studied different states of matter and what characteristics of matters. How can we change one state to other states? Solid, how can change liquid and liquid change into gas by heating, and when we further cool, a gas can change liquid and liquid change into further solid. But substance direct change solid to gas and gas to solid, that process known as sublimation. In our earlier videos, we already studied characteristics of matter, mainly 4 characteristics. Matter is made by teeny particles, and that particle have space between particles, and this space have also in solid, liquid and gas have different. Solid have the particle are very near, liquid slightly more gap, and gas have more space. Other factor, this matter is continuously moving, means the particles are continuous moving. In solid, the particles are vibrating. Liquids, the particles slightly more moving, and gaseous particles are very free and they want a whole available volume. We can easily observe. Other factor, when we apply force of attraction, solid strong force, liquid intermediate, and gas have very weaker force. Another one, kinetic energy. It means the energy due to movement. So kinetic energy of the molecule in gaseous state have highest kinetic energy and solid state have least. But what happen in liquids? If any liquid we place open in air, in a beaker like this, if you place the liquid in beaker, then what happen? After some times, this if 2, 3, 5 days, then this water is evaporate on their own without any heating. At any temperature, if you left, the water is removed out. When we wash our clothes, clothes we spread on a wire under fan, then they easily dry it up. Where this water gone? Means how this liquid change into gaseous state. So students, some particles have more energy comparative than others, that known as kinetic energy. And that particles take energy from surrounding nearby area and they convert into vapor state. They leave the surface. So this another particle take energy. Similar in our class, if a very genius students that not satisfied by their teaching or by another methods and the atmosphere of that class, then he quit from the school, quit from the system, and take admission from anywhere. Like you know, brain drain. Our scientists go to in foreign country or they take in where they get better chance. In similar way, these molecules on upper surface and take energy from surrounding, leave the surface. Means this water, by taking energy from surrounding, change into vapor state. So this phenomena known as evaporation. To today students, we are discuss what is evaporation. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. Means this occurs on surface. If you increase the surface, then rate of evaporation increase. This phenomena, any change of any liquid at any temperature below its boiling point and convert into gaseous state, that known as evaporation. Change of a liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. So evaporation is very important for in our daily life, and many activities happens due to evaporation causes cooling. Evaporation take energy from surrounding. Due to evaporation, molecules take energy from surrounding and it causes cooling. So students, we study what factors affecting evaporation, and we take a activity. In that activity, we take water in a test tube. Some water in this I placed in test tube, and in test tube have very less surface area, and some water I can take another beaker that's slightly more surface area. And if you have fixed quantity, that we take normally 5 ml or 10 ml water, exact water. If you place this water in test tube or in a under fan or in cupboard or in an open place, then we observe for many times it takes some days, some hours to evaporate without heating. We don't want to heat. The molecule take energy from surrounding. After 3-4 days, all water is evaporate and we get this beaker and this test tube vacant after some days. We can show this experiment in another way. You know the another chemical, that is acetone. Acetone is a nail polish remover. And I open the bottle of acetone, some acetone on watch glass. After a very small time, this all acetone is evaporate. After some times, it is evaporate and it causes cooling. Students, we can feel if I put the acetone on my palm, then I feel very, very cool. And within 2-3 seconds, this is evaporate. You can see all acetone is evaporate and I feel very cool because it is evaporation is a surface phenomena and I feel very cold. 2-3 this at least in 5 seconds, it's all molecules are evaporate and I feel very cool. The evaporation causes cooling. So I am showing you, I put the acetone on this watch glass, but it is almost vacant. So this indicates different substances have different rate of evaporation. Another chemical I will showing you, alcohol. This one is ethyl alcohol, dehydrated alcohol. I can take in a test tube. We can study the rate of evaporation, alcohol, acetone and water. If you take this one test tube of alcohol, other one water, then and other test tube we will take acetone. In one test tube I take acetone. So students, rate of evaporation depends of characteristics of matter also. So this one acetone, this also colorless, and alcohol and water. So all are colorless, but they have different force of attraction. After some times, all the molecules leave their surface. If you increase the surface area, if this acetone particles I put in china dish, then this surface area increase. Surface area increase and this china dish also cool down because it take energy from surrounding and convert into vapor state. And almost the rate of evaporation is highest and easily can evaporate. So there are factors affecting evaporation. We can explain. First one is surface area. If surface area increase, if we put acetone in test tube, in beaker, in bucket, in plate or in a open floor, then which have more surface area, that is more evaporate. So you can say surface area is directly proportional to evaporation. When surface area increase, evaporation increase. Means the molecules are faster away to move into gaseous state. Another one is temperature. So when we wash our clothes and we put outside for dried, then you imagine, you feel if we put our clothes outside on temperature or heat, then easily dry comparison than inside. And we are spreading our clothes. If we spread the clothes, they easily dry because their surface area increase. If we put in a one wire on layer to layer, they are not dried easily. So surface area, when temperature increase, evaporation increase. So this also directly proportional. And temperature decrease, then evaporation decrease. Third one is humidity. In the rainy season, in outside atmosphere have more humidity, so our clothes are not dried, our undergarments are not dry, they create different disease, because if we take the humid our clothes, so they create some different types disease. So students, humidity is, evaporation is inversely proportional. You can say more the humidity, less the evaporation. So you can say in rainy season the clothes are not dry easily. So they are because they absorb moisture surrounding area. Fourth one is wind speed. Means when we put our clothes for drying and under a fan, then the clothes are easily dry. Because when speed increase, then rate of evaporation increase. So you can say these are factors, three factors directly proportional. One is inversely proportional, means when humidity increase, evaporation decrease. These are factors affecting evaporation, and others known as what effect of evaporation? Evaporation causes cooling. So when I put this acetone my hand, then my hand feel very, very cool. And this chemical, nail polish remover. Why? Because like dissolve like, you will study in this 12th class, what are the reason why it's remove nail polish. Because the substance is, this is a organic compound and that also organic, and that easily can dissolve, it can easily remove that strength. Students, sometimes question comes, why we wear cotton clothes in summer season? What are the reason? In summer season, what happen? We have more perspire, more sweat, then temperature increase of our body, and our body no equal temperature, maintain always 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. So cotton clothes easily absorb the perspire, and when the outside winds comes, that winds the water change into vapor state by taking energy of our body. By taking energy of our body, then our body is cools. So we should wear cotton clothes in summer season, especially white clothes. What happen? White clothes? Whites are bad reflector of light. When sunlight strikes on white clothes, so it's reflect the light. So it's slightly less warm of our body. Another one is in summer seasons, the people splash surrounding area of hotel or in their roof, they splash from water. Why they splash water surrounding the hotel and the roof in summer season? That also reason, that is also evaporation, because if they splash the water surrounding, that water convert into vapor state, taking energy from surrounding. So when taking energy from surrounding, that causes cooling. So that are the reason, because that water change into vapor. And how can we take that? Take latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat means amount of heat rise to 1 kilogram liquid into vapor state. So that water is evaporate, so all surrounding area is cooled down. Then the customers are feel good place, and they can easily sit and taking the food or other items in hotels. So the people easily splash surrounding area. And in a summer season also we splash on winter there to cool down the temperature. Another one is that in our daily life, in summer season, we put water in earthen pots, you know matka, मिट्टी के बर्तन. We put water in matka in winter. Reason the water fill in earthen pots in matka in place of the iron or steel containers. The reason behind this, in earthen pot have some pores, so water is removed by the pore. Then what happen when hot air strikes of the earthen pot, take energy from the surrounding and water will feel more cool. In summer season, people use cold water in the earthen pots. The reason behind, because between walls there are many pores and water is removed out, so surface area increase, hot air strikes and that water is evaporate. So due to that evaporation, this water causes cooling, means the surrounding area of the earthen pot is cooling. So students, in humid, when the rainy season comes, then that earthen pot is placed outside and that water is not so cool. But in summer season, if you take the glass of water, that is very cool. That are the reason the evaporation causes cooling. So these are in our daily life. There are other factors also. Evaporation, if a person when run, then why the sweat comes? Why perspire comes? The reason behind our body maintaining same temperature. So water when comes out, that water when the feels that water when evaporate, the body or temperature is cooled down. So that are the reason when a person run, then their body comes sweat, and all the salts and water particles are removed out. Okay. Students, you have seen when we remove a water bottle from fridge and put on table for some time, then what we will observe? Some water droplets are seen on the bottle, because in our atmosphere have moisture, and when that moisture strikes on the bottle, then the wall of the container or a bottle on a glass, that water put on that glass, surrounding we see droplets of water. So that process known as a gas convert into water, that known as condensation, and that easily observe in also summer season when the more temperature, and when we remove the cooled bottle from fridge and placed on atmosphere, the water droplets are easily seen. Students, we study the three different states, solid, liquid, gas, but two other states also found, that are one is plasma state, other one Bose-Einstein condensate. So what is plasma state? Plasma state found sun and stars. When sun and stars means particles of gases are further ionized. When the electron, proton are separate out and the gas are in ionized form, that state known as plasma state, and due to that state they show some characteristics color. So sun and stars are glowing in due to plasma state and lot of heat, so they are ionized. Students, the gas are in some super energetic, super excited particles and they are in ionized form. In the fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs, that gas are when the electricity pass, in that fluorescent tube we feel helium gas and other organ or different other gas we feel, so they show different color. Fluorescent tube we feel helium mainly, and neon sign bulb the gas feel neon, and when the current is passed they show different color because the gas is fully ionized and show different colors. This state found sun and stars and this in our universe. Another state that are imaginary state known as Bose-Einstein condensate. Our Indian scientist Satyendra Nath Bose in 1920 and Albert Einstein, you know, they give both the owner of that scientist give Bose-Einstein condensate. When we cool down the gas, extreme cool down, very low density, 100,000 the density of normal air, at very low temperature, super low temperature, then the particles that exist, that are Bose-Einstein condensate, and this is only imaginary physical state found. And you can search on website that more detail about plasma and that are Bose-Einstein condensate. So in this way, our this chapter is finished. If you have any query, you can ask. And students, in text, there are many questions given. So solve all the question in your notebook and solve all the exercise question. And if you have any query, then you can write in comment box, and personal phone number you can ask. When I free, I will give your answer, and next chapter we will start after. So at first, this almost all topics are covered. Thank you. Have a nice day.